Well, my broken red had her litter. She had 8. She did a really good job, had them all in the nest. Unfortunately, she did not pull enough fur. I went out there at the crack of dawn, found him, snatched him up, brought him in, and warmed him up as best I could. I lost 7. I saved 1. The lucky one. And it's broken. Looks just like Mama. I mean, at least I saved 1. You're lucky. Yes, you are. You're so lucky. I guess this one's going in with my my New Zealand whites, and we'll just breed Mama back because by the time she has some more babies, this weather will have passed, and I know that she has good sized litters, and that she will have them in the nest. I do want to go over the colors though. So we had 1 broken, a solid, a solid, broken, broken, I don't think that's a white spot. I think that's a bruise. Solid, broken, and solid. So it looks like 4 solid, or I'm sorry, 4 broken and 4 solid. Where are you going? I got all this grass on my bed now. Alright, I gotta take this guy out to the New Zealand white nest and see if we can't get him some breakfast. He's good and warm now. He'll do much better when he's with some others.